Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome to open Google Chrome browser. Click on it under the best match. Now this is a new tab. Now if I open a new tab and search for an info, let's say for example, computer, hit enter. And then if I click on one website, and what if I accidentally close this tab, which is very important to me? So if I accidentally close this, how can I restore that tab? Well, we could, or this could be very confusing for your part. You could be nervous, but do not worry, it's very easy. Locate your keys on your keyboard. Locate the Control plus Shift plus letter T key. So simply press that, Control plus Shift plus T key, and now you have restored your uh, tab on your Google Chrome, your important tab. Another way, if I close this, accidentally close the tab, just simply make a right click on the open space at the top, and you'll have this option, Reopen Close Tab. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover a closed tab from your Google Chrome browser, especially the tabs that are important to you. So I hope this straightforward tutorial helped you in your like restoring closed tabs in Google Chrome, and that please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.